Good morning, James.
Good morning.
GBM Works was started in 2016 with the main idea to create a silent installation method for monopiles and therefore minimize the impacts to marine life. GBM Works is now happy to be working together with developers and contractors in the mission to take this technology to as many wind farms as possible. Last year, GBM Works won the Offshore Wind Innovators Awards, and it was very important for us because it gave us the confirmation that the market needs the solution that we are trying to bring, and also gave us the confidence that we are taking the correct steps to commercialize and to develop that solution.
VibroJet is a new method to install monopiles, which is much cheaper and faster with less noise emissions than traditional pile driving techniques. So actually it's a water jetting tool that is inserted in the pile while the pile is driven with the assistance of vibratory hammer, and in this way there is much less soil resistance from the inside part of the monopile.
GBM's innovative technology is important to the market as it brings a more efficient way to install monopiles. Amongst the several benefits, we can measure the lower noise emissions and also the installation to deeper depths. An additional way for GBM Works to bring value to the offshore energy sector is by offering its expertise in testing new concepts. So we have done this before, we know how to do it, and we can also apply this methodology to other ideas. The services provided by GBM Works includes the installation of monopiles with GBM's VibroJet technology, geotechnical services, including pile driving calculations, simulations with several installation methods, and noise level predictions, optimized pile installation methods, design of equipment, funding and management of product development projects, and support and monitoring during installations.
There is a lot of interest from the industry for the products, and there are still more companies that they're interested to join us.
Great that you guys are here.
Our move to the Energy Transition Campus in Amsterdam is part of our plan to support our growth and to support the market in the needs for our technology.
The hurdles that we need to tackle is to convince people be more flexible in adapting innovation in their work and new methods. Currently, we are busy with two projects. One is called Simple to Be, and it's the preparation of the other project, which is called CMOX. And in these two projects, we work together with Deltares, not only making the models together, but we are fortunate enough to use their laboratory facilities and also their personnel.
Deltares is supporting GBM Works from the start by trying to answer questions with regard to the soil response, the soil interaction with their technology. GBM Works has been very innovative. They keep responding and listening to the market needs and updating their technology with innovations and knowledge. And they also have a commercial and business sense to bring this as soon as possible to the market.
Research and development is part of GBM Works' DNA. However, as we take this technology to the market, we will also take more commercial projects, and we are going to have to split our resources amongst those two activities. The dreamed future of GBM Works would be the moment when the default method for the installation of monopiles becomes the VibroJet. In order for GBM Works to achieve its goals, we need to first increase our resources levels in order to be able to deliver. We also need to bring investors in order to fund our operations. And we also need customers willing to challenge the existing methods and bring an innovative solution to the market.